In part 14, I finished the foot, but I need to fix some things before I continue because, well, this right here, this looks really weird and don't like it very much, but I figured how to fix it. So what I need to do is this. Yeah, so let's see. First, will this work? Yeah. Though I want to make it bigger. Okay, so I think this was like that though because of the angle, but let me do this too. Moves down. Okay, oh, yeah, now I see the problem. And of course, I need this too. Actually, nothing is, I'm noticing that this looks too big, so I'm gonna make it smaller. I wanna do this though. Something like that. And of course, make it small as well. And heck, even make this smaller. Yeah, that work. Oh, and I've just noticed that this needs to go in some as well. Is that gonna look good? I think it's fine. Anyways. And now this is too thick. And it's the wrong spot, so what I can do is this. So I'm just gonna hide this one. Select everything, unhide, and control minus to subtract 1. And let's see if I can get this aligned properly. Yeah, I think that'll work. But I also want to do this too. So let's see, if we do this one. Oops, I think I did too much. Hold and shift to make my movement less drastic. Okay, how's that? Okay, for some reason, just test and see if it was really symmetrical, and it should be, and it is. This looks more straight now, I don't know why. Oh well. I think it's because this is kind of too small down here. So let's see if I can fix that. So, I just want to do this. I don't want to do that though. You know what? I'll just do this. Okay, almost. The only thing I do now is this. Because this is like too small. Let me just do this first. Oops. Increase the fall though. I think that might work. Yeah. Of course, now I made this too wide. So let me just do this. Or I could just take this right here and just push it in some. Like I said several times, this is trial and error. And actually I use two. Deselect these ones. It wouldn't matter these because of clipping, so I'll just drag this out. Okay, how's that? Okay, that looks kind of good now. Well, I think this is kind of natural anyway, so I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Except for one thing, this is too flat down here. So let's round off some. Yeah, it's definitely too flat. What the? Why am I not able to go down? Oh, am I pressing X? No, I'm pressing Z. Oh, I know why. I'm in view. Okay, try again. So many adjustments to make when I make these things. Oh gosh, I messed that up. But did I? Yeah, I kinda did. Anyways, I'm done working the thighs, so I will save this now, except for a few things. So right now, I need to do this. And this one. And let's see. Let's see if I can do this. Anyways, I think that's good. Except for maybe this one. Okay, so I can go ahead and actually... Oh, except this is looking kind of weird over here too. Okay, let's do this. And a Y... Here, let me just two. Let's see if this will work. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so now let me go ahead and save this, and then I'll be back again. Okay, so now I can work on a tail. Let's get that started. So to do that, let me turn this off first. Okay, so let's see. I think it's right here. Oops, don't do that. Except if I'm gonna do a tail, I should probably do this first. Cause that's kind of not very smooth. Can I do this? Smooth. No, no, don't do that. Oh my gosh, sorry. It gets frustrating when I'm trying to click on something and then it just deselects instead. So let me try it again. Okay, where is it? Ah, I forgot. Oh yeah. Okay, smooth vertices. Yeah, those kind of mistakes can really trip you up too, like what just happened to me just now. Okay, is that working? I think that'll work just fine. How's that? Oh, no, no, that's like... Pull it out. Okay, good. Yep, that's an improvement. And now I can do this. So, let's start extruding after I do this. Okay, so first, press E to extrude as usual. And I'm going to have it just out here. And, oh, right, I forgot. So, remember what I did in, like, part 1? I mean, like, the first part of the body? Well, I have to do this, so... Let me actually go back to here for a second. I need to duplicate this, like in pressing Shift D. Turn this off. And then I'm going to SX1 negative. And that's going to flip the normals, so I have to go into Mesh. And then flip it. And then I can just take this and negative it to make it that side. And of course, if I do this, Alt-M to merge them together. So now, if I were to go to here, let me turn this off now because of this circle, and there you go. But I don't want to do it there though. Instead, I actually want to extrude out once, and then do circle. And of course, make it smaller. Okay, that's for the base of tail. Now I'll do these other segments. So I'll do a second right here. Actually, I'm gonna do this. Let's just pull out like this. Control right click. And I think that's about fine. Of course, nope. I'll work it later. Anyways, let's add a few more cuts. Yeah, so like this. Oh, wait a minute. Smaller first because that's to the tail. Now I do 3 cuts. And of course, smooth out. Nope. Sometimes I have to do it like this. And then do this. And yeah, that's fine. Of course, now I need to make this bigger. Actually, do I need to? Well, I probably need to do this first. And then this one. Let's rotate though. I'm trying to get some kind of curve going on. So make this bigger. Actually, this is probably not big enough. Wait, why is it twisting? Oh, here. Let's see. I'll take care later. I'll take care later though. Here. So I can get it, rotate around something close to that. Yeah, that's kind of like twisting though. So I wonder why it's doing that. Oh well. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah, I'll take it later. Anyways, can I just twist it like this? No, I can't do that. Okay, whatever. I'll just deal with it though. Okay, so make this bigger. Oops, don't do that. Okay, make this go up. And, oh, here's a weird thing. So you might be thinking that there's no edge here. There is. It's just that the subtip is on, like that. Okay, so let's see. Actually, you know what? It might have something to do with this. Okay, I think I know why it's doing it now. Yeah, that could be it. Nope, I was wrong. Oops. I wonder why it's... Okay, here. Nope. Okay, that was selected. I don't know. Okay, if I pull it up. Okay, I think it kind of fixed that. So now I can continue with this. Let me rotate some. Pull it down. Actually, I want to pull it down too. And of course, the tip. Let's just do this. Okay, so I'm almost actually past the 10-minute mark. So let me just do this. And so another thing is, I don't like how this is, so I can just do this. Instead, I just do this, do grid fill. Oh, actually, no, I don't want to do that. Actually, you know what? I'll do it in the next part, because right now, it's running kind of long. So I'll see you in like part 16. Let me just do this. And that's it.